boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Travis, and I have Miss Cadence, and I have Miss Pei-Ying, and I have Mr. Carter. And boys and girls, who likes, cookies?
Me!
Oh, good. I'm so glad. Today, we're going to be making Carob Granola Bars. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So let's get started. Each of you gets to put in 2 cups of granola. So can you find your 1 cup measuring? You got your 1 cup?
All the way to the top?
Does it have a 1? All the way to the top.
Is this?
That's a 1 cup. See the 1 on it, Cadence? That's a 1 cup.
Is this a 1 cup?
That's a 1/2 cup. Find your bigger one. Oh, good job, Pei-Ying.
One of these.
Okay,
Do I have to do another one?
you need 2 of them.
Full?
2 full. Make sure they're full.
Full?
Make sure it's full.
Okay.
Because if it's not full, then we haven't measured measured it right, our ingredients. And then you know what happened, boys and girls? Our recipe doesn't turn out if we don't have it measured right, does it, boys and girls? So be careful that you measure it right. You want your measuring cup to be level.
Ooh,
Oh, a little bit more, little bit more.
No.
That's right. Can you put a little bit more in there?
Here. It makes
Good.
It makes sure your cup is full, right?
That's right, Pei-Ying. Make sure your cup is full. Let's put it right over here near the bowl.
And make sure when you put this real fall down, and make sure put this really close to you.
That's very close to you so it doesn't fall on the floor, huh?
Yeah.
That's right.
And won't be dirty when it's dirty.
That's right. Okay, who's got 4 cups in?
Me.
Okay, you put it in there. Is that
got
2
2
cups? Okay. Now you each can get your 1/2 cup. And now put a 1/2 cup in.
This is my
Did you do two of these?
No.
Okay, do 1 more of those.
Up here?
Yes. And then,
Cinda, I already did the 4th one.
okay, then do your 1/2 cup. You see where it says a 1/2?
Yeah.
It says 1 and then a slash and then a 2. There.
we need
Uh-huh.
2 halves
That's
of these?
no, just 1.
Full.
Do 1 of those.
Full?
Full. Always do full. If it's a measuring cup or a measuring spoon, boys and girls,
I got
make sure
full.
you get it full. A little bit more. See, you got a big hole there with you need more. That's perfect. Thank you for helping, Travis.
Need a few more chunks.
Need a few more, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, dump it in. Okay, a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Did you do your 1/2 cup or did you already do 1 of those? I think you need to do another one.
Like this? I did one
Yes.
of mine. I already do 2.
Good job.
Do the 1/2 cup.
Oh, you didn't do your 1/2 cup. Okay, do your 1/2 cup. Get it all in. Travis, you need to do your 1/2 cup.
This one. I did 1 of these.
Okay.
This one.
One's probably enough.
one.
Yes, but you need to get it full. We may have to borrow some of theirs. Can you get it all full?
I think I put in the 4th one of these, and then she did the 5th.
Okay. I need 5 cups of granola, boys and girls. So we're okay because you need 5 cups total, okay? So boys and girls, for 5 cups, remember you need, well, I'm doing 2 hands, 5 cups. Okay, you have yours? All right, now.
And make sure to hold it.
Okay, now boys and girls, take sure to hold it. That's right, because you don't want to drop it. Here, let's borrow some of theirs, Pei-Ying, because they didn't use all of theirs. And you're going to need some more. Good job. Oh, good job. Okay, dump it in. Okay, now take your 1/2 cup and take a spatula. This is called a spatula. Can you get a spatula? And then you're going to need a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, okay?
1/2 cup.
Okay, fill it with peanut butter.
And this is a 1/2 cup.
Nope, that's a full cup. Let me show you. See how it has the 1 and then the line and then the 2? That's a 1/2 cup. Do you see yours? Cadence, there's yours. Now fill that with peanut butter.
You just like this, right, Miss Cinda?
That's right, and fill it with peanut butter. And I'm gonna move this over here
No,
because
no.
I've got some cookie sheets and we're gonna make, and Miss Cinda's melted some carob chips. I have them melted on the stove and we'll put your peanut butter in there, okay?
Because
let's put your peanut butter in your half cup, Cadence.
Because the hotties.
I'll help you.
Because the hotties, right?
Because it's hot, yes. So I have it on the stove. There, let me help you. Oh, let's get a big spatula full. What? Oh, that's okay. Here, I'll give you a towel and you can wipe your hand. How about that? Good job. Okay, do you have it full? Then I'm going to get your...
Cinda, do you put in...
Nope, just wait a minute. I'm going to get you some melted carob chips. And I have them on the stove. And do you all know what it means to have a double boiler? Okay, hold that.
No.
A double boiler is I put water in here and then I put the carob over this and the steam from the water melts the carob chips.
Is this my spoon?
Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to take and bring you your carob. I'm going to wipe off the bottom and the bowl's not hot, okay? I checked it and it's not hot. Okay, now put your peanut butter in there and then we're going to stir it around. Oh, you're not done. What am I doing? I'm taking that already. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you in just a minute. Let me help Travis. Ugh, we got to get your peanut butter out.
I know.
There you
That's
go.
a big spatula full.
That's a big spatula, isn't it? Oh! Oh, is it good?
Can you help me, Miss Cinda?
I would be happy to help you.
Cinda, we started with our little
There you go.
wooden thing.
Doesn't this recipe look yummy, boys and girls? Okay, take this. Take this.
Do you start it off with this?
Yes, you may. You could, you know what? You can stir it up with your
waiting
spatula
for
too.
mine.
I'm getting your carob for you.
Can you help me?
I will. Okay, the bowl's not hot, so don't worry. And let me get your carob. There you go. Okay, no, wait just a minute. You need to put your peanut butter in. Do you want me to get your spatula and help you?
Can you help me, Miss?
I can help you. Okay. Cadence, can you put your peanut butter in? And maybe Travis can help you, or I'll help you in just a minute, okay? All right, there you go.
Do you want me to help? What I was doing, like you do.
Good job! Good job. And boys and girls, if you're wondering about the recipe, you can just go to our Tiny Tot website and you can get the recipe and you can make these at home. Okay, there's your spatula.
Yeah.
And here, Carter, use the spatula. And then you can put your spatula on the plate, okay? Do you want some help, honey? Oh, dear. Let's wipe your hand.
I'm going to wait to put it.
Well, Carter's going to help you, Pei-Ying. There you go. Do you need help, Cadence? Here. Okay, let's stir up your peanut butter and your carob chips. Does this smell yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, who's ready to eat it?
Me.
Do you guys see what Miss Cinda made ahead of time on the stove?
Some.
Miss Cinda's already made some, hasn't she? Does that look good?
Yeah, it does.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate.
Okay, here's your spatula. You can help him stir. Do you have yours all stirred up? Okay, let me check. Let me check. Okay, what you do now, boys and girls? What you do now is get it all stirred up.
I already stirred ours.
We got to get that peanut butter.
Cinda, look.
Is it yummy? Yes. Oh boy.
Miss Cinda,
What?
look.
Is it good? Oh.
Yummy. Yummy. This is in my tummy.
Yeah. Okay, now what you're going to do There you go. And you're gonna need your big spoon because look what Miss Cinda's doing.
I can do it.
Whoa, let me Cinda do it. Ready?
Okay, ready?
I'll hold the bowl. Here, I'll hold the bowl and you guys scrape it out. How's that?
Yum.
Oh, look at all that come out. Ooh, that's yummy.
Yeah,
Get it all out.
My tummy.
Yummy in your tummy? Oh. Oh, I can't wait to taste one.
Me too.
Get it all out. You got to scrape it all out.
Scrape it.
Want me to help you, Carter?
Oh
No, I have carob all over my fingers. Now what should I do?
Look at me.
Oh, what should I do? Should I lick it?
Hey.
For you.
You'll lick my fingers for me? Oh, yummy. But you know what? What does Miss Cinda say about a mess?
We can clean our hands.
We can clean them, can't we? How are you guys doing over here? Okay, now I'll come help you guys. Let me just spray the pan for them. Oh, look at me.
I squeezed your chocolate.
Oh, boy. Let me spray your pan for you. Oh!
Miss Cinda, that's our kitchen timer.
That's the kitchen timer. We have to hurry. We're almost out of time. Let me spray this for you. Okay, now I want you to dump your granola carob mixture in here. Mix it all up and dump it into here, okay?
I'm too busy eating
And-
chocolate.
Me too.
Okay, I'm going to tip the bowl into here. You guys scrape it out, okay? Okay, you ready? Scrape it out.
I'm busy eating that.
You're busy eating it? Are you busy eating too? Oh, well, where's my helpers? Oh, dear. Let me help you scrape it. There you go. Now, I need you to mix it up, and then we're going to...
I'm eating this.
You're still eating it? What? Where's my helpers? My helpers went to my tasters. Here you go. Mix it up. Oh, here you are. Yay. Okay. Now you guys need to stir this up. Huh?
We're already done.
Oh. Okay, stir it up.
Miss Cinda, we already done.
And then what you're going to do is you're going to stir it up and put it in there. And look what Miss Cinda has. Who wants to taste one?
Oh, these look yummy.
Here you go. Here you go.
Mm.
Here you go, Candace.
Yummy.
Cadence, here, taste it.
Yummy, Miss Cinda.
Oh, well. Is it yummy?
Miss Cinda, this tastes yummy.
Oh, good. The timer. That's all the time we have for now. Boys and girls, you can make these at home. Remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.